This dialogue has been just more than just an event. This historic event has been a convergence of minds and a celebration of shared responsibility. I am happy to state that this Samvad has evolved as a platform to make yet another powerful call that climate justice demands an enhanced and comprehensive level of support to the most climate vulnerable countries which are on the forefront of global catastrophe. And your commitment and your willingness to come here to discuss this issue has been indeed encouraging, not only for us Nepali people, but for all citizens of vulnerable countries like ours, and also from the countries where you all have come, where maybe you all are safer than us, but I think there is a very clear understanding that we all have a shared future and we all live in this one planet Earth. Thank you for that great commitment and understanding. Furthermore, this forum has clearly stressed that the mountain agenda should be collectively promoted by all stakeholders together with the island countries and supported by the international community at all global and regional forums. This Samvad has shown that dialogue can cross borders, geographies, generations and disciplines, just as Sagarmatha stands tall, reminding us of our resilience. Let the outcomes of this Samvad remind us of our resolve. It is beyond a doubt that mountain issues need to be highlighted in all relevant UN processes like climate change, water, energy, food security, SDG high-level forums, and even the forums for peace. So we would like to take the mountain agenda to the development finance institutions and all other relevant regional and global development forums to sensitize the global community about the climate change impacts on mountains and the global consequences of melting glaciers and water-induced disasters and the destruction of lives and livelihoods and their culture far beyond the mountains. We count on your strong support in taking forward this agenda in the days forward. Let us turn this dialogue into action and declarations into deliverables.